Hello everyone, welcome back to DelphStack Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to record audio for your PowerPoint slides. The other videos, you can check the PPT tutorials where you will see how to add audio or background music to your PowerPoint slides. But in this video, we will see how we can record audio on PowerPoint slides. You just have to go to Insert, and then you will see the audio option. There will be an option called Audio on my PC. If you have existing audio that you want to add, you can simply add or drop the file here. And if you want to record audio live, click on the record option and name your sound. You can name it whatever you want. And then click on the red icon. Hi guys, I just want to show you an example of recording audio in these slides. Have you done the previous work I showed you? Then select OK. I have just done this for demonstration purposes, and this is how you can record audio. When you click on it, there will be some additional formatting options. You can go to Audio Format and Playback, and you can also select Play in Background. There are also some formatting options, like automatically playing across slides, or if you want to play it on just one slide, you can select that option. You can also set the timer for fading in and fading out. You can also trim your audio, whatever you have recorded. So this is how we can record audio for our PowerPoint slides. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.